Earrings.
I knew. He's trying to bluff that he gave you some earrings.
Okay, now.
Okay.
Now Smriti is going to read out some email that I wrote in my language, Mizo.
Start reading?
Yeah.
You have to concentrate on my face and everything, okay?
Yeah.
Hey, pate, tamwa, cousin E.
Wait. Let's say more. AW is O.
I did that. Damo, kadam E, maseki hitlang, donin ka ria, throat sore as hell, na lam pua twang, anyway. Not much happening, feeling extremely lazy as usual. Almost all the time, no enthusiasm for anything. Is Amanda around, is she? Okay. Then I go home and feel guilty. Passing phase, I hope. Shrija Shum Monday, lo
Wait, what?
Lo Chukan. Nagi tua Gania. Hamani Khan Shillong Amichu an Ron Kal a batch. Kharon Richwa Room. What the hell is this? And Loti fair Diam.
Yeah. I'm gonna put this up on some Mizo
Money Diam.
Yeah. Wait.
Chuli di dio.
You want to give me the shot, Shiraz? Come. Go ahead. Finish it.
Vodka birthday along ni dia. Conra wish lo chia. So wishing you a belated happy birthday, meow.
Okay, now. Everyone.
Hi everyone, having a nice time. Damao, kadamem, mase ka, hitlang, down.
Wow, that was perfect.
Kahira, throat sore.
But mine was more animated.
Hana ampa, tuang
You made it into a
anime.
bad word.
Nothing much happening. Feeling extremely lazy almost all the time. No enthusiasm for anything. Then I go home and feel guilty. Feeling lazy.
I do. And next day I'm like, okay, I'm gonna redeem myself today.
Shrija Chu, Monday Akalo mail. Kolange, I'll let you know. Chua Ani in Enge Alo report. Where's that? Danin. Apply Thrat Le Thrat Lo. Shuka. Gaitua. Danya. Hamani Khan. Shillong Amichu. Arong Kala Batch 1. Kara. Rituak. Ram Che. Hello Tifel. DM Mauni. Chule Kati Dua. Kanzawat. Pange. Angpa Chu Nise. Chua. Fourth ka birthday. Aloni Renga. Kara wish lo chea. So wishing you a happy belated birthday now. How's marriage?
Should be married life.
Nua bak.
More. Thank you.
Can you see
That
that?
was awesome. And cast. Smriti Sharma.
Why don't you?
Shiraz
Thank you,
Kabir.
thank you.
and background music, Rupa.
You read it once, we'll see what's the
Okay.
Yeah. Let me capture it. Background
This is
music.
what language?
Mizo.
That's Shiraz speaking on Hakka noodles. No, not Hakka noodles. Kappa noodles.
I'm building muscles.
Putting oil in it.
Right.
Good night. Bye-bye.
Whammy, bammy.
What?
Whammy.
Mammy, Bammy. Thank you, Mammy.
She might also possibly want to try her mouth on
Yes.
Mizo.
Yes. Late breaking news.
So here we have a picture of Mizoram here and
Tirante you.
don't sing.
Tirante you. Tirante you dumb. Taken in hen. Arika too long.
When it's cold outside, I've got the month of May.